River North, River North, River North. River North is all the buzz here in Chicago. The neighborhood everyone is talking about. The high-energy neighborhood that has it all. Home to the hottest nightlife, largest art galleries, growing office hubs, some of the best restaurants, and timeless residential real estate. It might be one of the largest neighborhoods of downtown. Or just the only neighborhood you know of if you aren't from Chicago. Stretching all the way from Michigan Avenue west to the north branch of the river, and from Chicago Avenue south to the east branch of the river. Outsiders may not realize there's a quieter pocket of River North. You too may also feel the divide as you cross over LaSalle and the atmosphere shifts a bit more rustic, with converted brick warehouses on every other corner. You go from the extremes of downtown nightlife into the design district, where things are just a little more calm and collected. Surrounding streets are lined with design showrooms carrying everything you need to create your own unique home sanctuary. Here at Illinois and Franklin, once a quiet corner, sits one of River North's latest apartment towers, bringing in all the energetic artsy vibes of the neighborhood. Follow me as we explore what it's like to live at 311.
We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3.
So many people are moving to Chicago, but few know how to live Chicago. With all the new construction happening, you deserve the inside scoop on Chicago's booming housing market. You deserve to live it up. My name is Stephanie Spenner, and as an apartment broker, I know the city like the back of my hand. Aside from revealing the hidden gems, I'll show you everything you are missing about apartment living in the Windy City. Avoid the dumps and discover luxury living in the hottest neighborhoods. See what's new, unique, and blow your socks off breathtaking. There's something for everyone in this city, but in this show, we only focus on the top properties for lifestyle seekers who want elevated views, unparalleled amenities, and the ultimate social experience. So what are you waiting for? Let our city become your city. Live shy. Be dazzled and immediately drawn in entering 311 with this unique, trippy digital art installation in the lobby, mocking nearby Art on the MART, the world's largest digital art projection just 3 blocks away on the Merchandise Mart. Not too tall and not too small, 311 stands 25 stories along the CTA Brown and Purple Line train in the heart of the River North Design and Art District, promoting 245 modern apartments with soft industrial touches like the exposed yet cozy concrete ceilings. 311 was developed in early 2018 by the John Buck Company, sister to Mila and the Loop, and Lowe's Hotel / Northwater Apartments in Streeterville. And it is the first multifamily building in the Midwest to earn a Fitwel certification for design, development, and operations strategies that support the physical, mental, and social health of its residents. Starting with a fitness center that expands half of the 23rd floor, offering classes and personal training, and private room service from Pear Chef, dishing up new weekly menus with lots of healthy choices. To dine in or to choose from hundreds of great restaurants within moments of your doorstep. This could be the hardest decision of your day. With floor-to-ceiling windows in every apartment, even the studios feel huge. I also love their oversized bathrooms with the additional pull-out shelving under the sink, making these studios even more efficient. The best part about their convertible floor plans is that they all feature expansive walk-in built-out closets. 311's interior finishes are universal throughout, with neutral glossy gray cabinetry, white quartz countertops, sleek stainless appliances, light brown wood plank flooring, and solar roller shades. The smallest one beds here are just under 700 square feet, but feel larger than 800, as for their bonus balconies and it being a corner unit, 2 full walls of floor-to-ceiling windows. And this extra nook, perfect for dining, a desk, or a dog bed. Other one-bedroom layouts boast other benefits, like this one with a monstrous 17 by 11 bedroom, large enough to fit a king bed, desk, dresser, and 2 nightstands. All the one bedrooms feature this cool sliding door to the bedrooms, adding to the soft industrial touches mixed throughout the property and maximizing space. Today, we get a very special sneak peek at one of only 2 penthouses sharing the 24th floor, just 1 flight away from the rooftop amenities and pool. These penthouses are 3-bed, 2-bath, double corner units, just shy of 1,700 square feet, with an extensive private terrace, large enough to dine outdoors in the privacy of your own home. Built-in wine fridge and speaker system throughout, and jaw-dropping 270-degree views. Here, you'll spot the former John Hancock Building, Willis Tower, and sublime sunsets as you cook for the crew on this northwest-southwest corner penthouse. Whether walking to work at Merchandise Mart or somewhere in the Loop, or hopping on a train just a few blocks away for your morning commute, this location gets you there in no time. Heck, you might be able to just roll out of bed 30 minutes before you have to be in the office. Catch the cutest corner neighborhood cafe, Foxtrot, along the way for your morning bite and coffee or tea. It also serves as a neighborhood market selling fresh coffee beans, gourmet cheeses, and Oatly ice cream. Yes, this is where you'll find it. Still only 3 flavors out that I've seen, all so creamy and yummy. Foxtrot also serves as a great at-home office right around the corner if you work from home but need to get out every now and then. Oh, and they deliver all of these heavenly things in less than an hour. Are you the early bird that gets the worm and gets your workout in first thing to start the day? Like I mentioned earlier, the top-of-the-line fitness center here has it all. But if you're an adamant EBCer, you're just a 1-minute run away. East Bank Club is Chicago's premier health club, taking up 2 full city blocks and includes a large outdoor lap pool, restaurants, and great networking opportunities. Busy day? Grab a laptop and either work from EBC or switch it up a bit and swing by 3 Greens across the street, one of my personal favorite neighborhood hotspots for hosting meetings and grabbing a healthy bite from their hot or cold bar, or sneaking a quick small Cheval burger. Shh, not too many people know about this location, arguably the best burger in Chicago. Just across the street from 3 Greens, Hampton Social has half-off glasses of rosé and pizza from 4 to 7 every weekday. The perfect happy hour spot, keeping you close to home in case you get just too carried away. Too much rosé? Never. What's that secret door on your way out? Just below Hampton Social, you'll be amused at the basement with live music and specialty cocktails. What the duck? You have to try the bathtub cocktail, just for the gram. If house music is more your scene, Sound Bar and Spy Bar are open late to dance the night away with the hottest DJs always mixing it up. Play Penthouse rich by reserving the rooftop lounge for a small fee to host an even larger dinner party, sure to impress all your guests. Wrap up the evening by taking in the most perfect all-around city views by the fire and curling up in the hammocks for an outdoor movie at the Rooftop Theater. Some say River North is all just a concrete jungle, but nearby Ward and LARRABEE Dog Park lining the Riverwalk is the perfect green addition to the neighborhood, great for socializing with neighbors and letting your dog off their leash. Although the lake is just 1 short mile east, you can still enjoy water views with a walk or run along the Riverwalk, less than 4 blocks south. Warning, you'll probably be tempted to stop and grab a glass of wine from the infamous City Winery and admire the corn cobs of Marina Towers. Just do it. 311 is one of 25 plus luxury rental properties in River North. Stay tuned as we explore all the other great neighborhood hotspots on one of our next River North property features. Be sure to subscribe, follow, and share Live Shy with your friends. Click here and I will guarantee to find you the perfect place.